Hey, how you doing?
Checking in already.
Check it in.
What's the good last name for it?
Well, the last name?
Last name?
Washington.
It's
Oh, boy.
Carlos?
Yes, sir. Good to meet another Carlos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Third Carlos today.
That's a good thing.
How you doing? It's my
Great.
cousin.
Yeah.
Where you from?
I do Dominican Republic.
Dominican?
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
That's funny. I never see that mess with Carlos and Washington like the last name.
Yeah. Wow.
Where are you guys from?
Well, we're from Florida, but my dad say our people originally from the West Indies.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
That's what. All right.
Yeah.
All right. This is for you.
Yeah. That's my guest behind me.
Where
The-
you like?
Yeah.
All right. So they're gonna follow you. Gonna go check your ID. Well, you already got your campsite. You got
Yeah.
any question, or you wanna go straight to your campsite?
I can go straight to the campsite.
You wanna go straight?
Yeah.
So you're gonna go to the right.
Uh-huh.
Do you need a map or?
Yeah, don't get a map.
I got you. There you go.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So to the right side for your campsite, okay?
All right.
Have fun, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And there you have it. We have made it here to the Wilderness Lodge. We're a little parched. We went to the park earlier. So now we're going to set up our RV, find our campsite. So we're just waiting on our guests to come behind us. We have some of our children traveling with us today. And so we're going to the campsite. Which way do we go? That's the cabin and campsite. That must be campers. Cabin check-in, returning guests, additional parking. So we're going to the left. Oh, the sign said right. I mean, the sign said left. This says exit and overflow. We go right. Over there, if you a Disney guest, you can take the bus transportation. Okay, we're looking for the campsite. They got golf carts for rent. $75 a day for the golf carts.
Non-peak season.
Oh, non-peak season. Do you know what it is for today?
$75, I think.
Okay. Okay, y'all, we're gonna look for our site. Okay.
Somebody had to do a destiny travel here.
Our spot is 828. We just turned in. Ooh, pothole. And there you have it, folks. He backed that thing on in there, didn't he?
Slide out there.
Well, we all set up, and where we going now, babe?
Going to Wally World.
Going to Wally World. Oh, look at this. The Minnie and the Mickey. Oh, that's cute. People really decorate out here. Okay, well, we're going to Wally World because we have no groceries. We got rid of everything right before we went on my birthday cruise, me and my daughter's birthday cruise. And so now we are back from the birthday cruise and here at Disney Wilderness Park. Oh, he missed his spot.
Going back around.
Trying to turn around. Oh, he's whipping it. Woo! All right. Well, we're going to Wally World to get some groceries. And then we're going to come back and get settled. Are we going back to any other parks tonight, babe?
We're going back to Walt Disney World. We probably go to Hollywood Studios.
Okay. I think our daughter-in-law wants to get magnet there. Pass holders magnet.
Magnet, yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to I think stay for the fireworks. But we'll chime in and let y'all see what we do next. We have made it to Wally World. Walmart. Looking for our son where they parked at. It's so hot out, y'all. It is hot out here. Parking lot is.
For all the ones that want to live a rowdy, crazy life, it's hot out here. Ain't no way I want to go down there.
Go down where, baby?
Hell.
True. No judgment here. We just saying how we want to be.
Man. Guess what, y'all? We going to Disney World.
We're going to stand up under the shade and wait for our son and the baby because it's hot.
And I didn't have to win the Super Bowl to go. Oh, I didn't win no crazy prize. I worked hard.
Disney World wakes him up, y'all. Okay, well, we waiting on them. But this parking lot is full. Look at this. Look at this right here. Full. Yeah, it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, he's going to get something to drink out of the machine because it's very hot. All the Disney finds, honey. I came to look for some ears. Look at toys. It's just Disney, Disney, Disney. How much you got out here? Y'all not gonna believe this. Look. Oh, ooh. Okay, how much was the bill? $111.35. And we have no meat in the budget. It's all good. We have plenty to drink. What I got? Look what I got. Look what I got. Menus from the Walmart store. Sorry about that. And now we'll be making a salad and having rotisserie chicken. And then back to the park, back to the park, back to the park, back to the park. Back to the park, back to the park. Ah! Okay. Well, y'all, we left Wally World, aka Walmart. What's the plans now, babe?
Go back to the campsite, eat,
Rest a little piece.
and get back to
And where we going?
Hollywood Studios.
We're going to Hollywood Studios. Well, we celebrating my birthday. Still celebrating my birthday. Yes, still celebrating my birthday. All right. Well, we get back to the campsite. We went to Walmart and my son, our son, he picked up a rotisserie chicken. I saw during checkout, I saw a way back burger. I probably would have tried that, but we're gonna go with what the family wants. We're gonna make a nice salad. We're gonna have a little watermelon for our dessert, and we're gonna chill and make our way back to the park. I think we're trying to catch the fireworks, but we'll see. All right now. Well, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
We are here. Where we at, babe?
We're at Fort Wilderness. Yeah.
Fort Wilderness Lodge here on Disney property. So far, so good. I am really enjoying it. How about you?
Yes, I'm enjoying it 100%.
We're outside. It's what we call in the South the evening time. We were with one of our sons and his family, and we went to the parks, and boy, did it wear us out. It's August, y'all. It's hot, ain't it, babe?
Yep.
It's very hot. We went early, came back, rest, and then decided let's rest up and go back in the evening. So that's what we had been doing. And they went back home because they have to go back to work. And we have one more night here. I'm looking at the squirrels chase each other and play. This is a peaceful place.
Yeah, it's real peaceful. It's nice. You hear a lot of things about the park is real tight to get into the spaces. In the older part, it is. You know, we're in the metal premium. You know, we chose that spot because it's set up for larger vehicles,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a fully concreted pad with a picnic table, and
And grill. They have a
in a
grill.
grill, and some of the pads, some of the I would say older sites has a half a concrete pad and gravel the rest of the way. And I chose premium because it was close to the metal depot. You know, we're in the 800 loop, 800 loop, and I like it. I like the 800 loop. Like I say, it's peaceful. Nice size rigs in here. We're gonna get up here for a few minutes and show you someone that moved out or left already for the day. We're gonna show you what the pad looked like. Fully concrete pad with picnic table and a grill and water hookup, sewer hookup, and we are annual pass holders. Right? We've been bringing our kids since they was small to Walt Disney World, and we did that on spring break for them because we rewarded them. They did good in school. When spring break comes, you get a break from school, and we rewarded them by giving them a break going to Walt Disney World.
Yeah.
And they had to earn that break because you don't go to school
Earn
to play.
the trip.
The trip, but you know, is spring break is for a break for school. So they did well. So okay, let's go. But when I was a child, when I used to come back from school, I hear about all this what the kids did in school, what their parents took them. My parents couldn't afford to do that. My parents had to work hard. You know, it wasn't easy, but they worked hard. I didn't hold that against my parents at all. And when I asked that we had started a family, that's one of the goals I wanted to do is bring our kids to Walt Disney World and, and on a regular basis. And that's what we did. Now all our kids are annual pass holders themselves, and they bring their kids.
Yeah. So it's a family tradition.
You know, I enjoy Walt Disney World. I enjoy the new things they bring. You know,
but I learned today I'm not as young as I used to
because
be.
the heat out there.
And we had one of our grandsons, and he's almost 2, and whoa, he wore me out
He a
today.
runner.
Yeah, he wore me out today.
What's his name?
Nolan.
No.
What?
I'm talking about the comedian.
Cat Williams?
Cat Williams. That when Cat Williams say his son.
Oh, don't do that, now,
wake
baby.
up on 100.
Don't
and
do
he go zoom.
No. He ain't that bad. No.
Listen, you put him down, you gonna chase him.
He likes
He
to
get up in
go.
the morning. He'll get up.
He's mellow. He's mild in the morning.
But he's a runner.
But once he get his breakfast and he know it's time to go, he ready to go.
He ready to go. You gonna if you ain't energized to keep up with him, you in trouble.
So we're gonna show you all the area that we're in. We're in lot 828.
Yep.
And so we have a they don't call it bathhouse here. What do they call it?
Community.
I'm thinking about care center at the park for you to take care of your babies. But I'll get you all the information. You know,
Comfort station.
the comfort station. That's it. And so we're gonna get up, move around, and show you guys our little area.
Okay, this concrete pad is It's 18 by 60, so it can hold up a large vehicle. Class A, B, C class, travel trailer. You know, it can hold it. It can do it. You got your water hookup to the right here, like a tree stump, but it's the water. You got your water lines there. You know, then you got your sewer hookup here. Then you have your electric hookup. You got your 30 and your 50. And then you can, the people that like to do tent, you can tent camp out here. They do allow it, you know, they do allow. And this is our setup over here, where our rig is located at, our humble home. Beautiful is she. And the conference, the conference station right behind it. You know, you don't get to choose your.
Sometimes if you're a return guest, I'm gonna come this way and show pretty large setup. People rent go-karts and some people bring theirs. And so we're in 828. That's the comfort station there. Sign. And here we go. So I'm following Mister, and we're going back here to the comfort station. There's nothing on the right of us. It's pretty empty over here. Just nice wooded lot area. So, and they call it a loop. So that's our rig back there behind the palm tree. And you can see there's spaces over here. And then you have women, and it's access only.
After midnight, it locks automatically. You have to have a key card to have access to it. If you got the wristband, the dentist wristband would unlock it. Or you stuck when you come in, you get a card when you come in to check in. They'll give you a card for access to unlock the gate and the door.
Well, not at the gate when you check in, but in the lodge area, the check-in
registration area.
Yeah. So these are the
activities. They got movie night tonight.
And this area is nice. And this is the laundry. Nice and clean. Sink area.
To wash is $3.25 to wash.
Golden table, dry.
And
they have vending machines.
Yeah. And the dryer is $3.25.
Okay. And this is your detergent. How much is detergent? $1.50. $1.50. Very nice. And might I add, it's cool in here.
Good air conditioning.
Yes, the air conditioning is awesome. Now we're back to the heat. House phone.
If you need call security, call for something, they have it.
I like the fact that they have emergency defibrillators throughout the park or resort. And then they have trash, glass, and mix recycling, men bathroom. And then they have ice machine, $2.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
That's a good price.
Okay. And we're walking back.
They are golf cart friendly. You can rent a golf cart out here and get around. And that's, like I said, the golf cart is $75 a day, right? I think right now, but during the peak season it might be higher, and you have to make a reservation for them because they do go fast. If you don't have a reservation, you get here and think you're gonna get one, you might not get one unless somebody cancel one. But we can put a reservation for a golf cart. Like I said, right now it's $75 a day at this time of the season.
But what you think about the water pressure out here?
Great water pressure. It's it's perfect. Perfect.
I'm just in love. We're already planning to come back. And then they have these are your trash bins near the, and so you just have to slide your hand in there, slide it all the way open, pull it open and go in the trash. And that keeps rodents and stuff out of the trash. Yep.
Hurry up, bro.
Ooh, look at this one.
He's already found him a Mickey
This on the back. This the back.
jacket here in the trading post. I don't like this. I'm not a fall person like that.
I don't mind that pussy.
Yeah. They got Mickey ears. They got it all ready for the fall season. It smells nice in here. Trick or treat. Ooh, I like it. Look at there. I like it. Oh, the hat. I might have to get this hat. Yeah. Oh, look at the baby. You got luggage. We got your essentials for Disney. Oh, they have the bathing suits. Oh, look at there. They have undies for the kids. Look at there. Little clips. Bathing suits, Crocs. You name it, they got it in here for you. So this is the closest trading post to us. Look at here. I love it. I left my man. Oh, this tire. Oh. We got some chairs. Hello. How are you, Mr. Joe? I'm well.
Where you visiting from? Where's home?
Home is Gainesville, Florida.
Okay.
But we live in Georgia. So we live in McDonough, Georgia right now.
Yeah.
But Gainesville, Florida.
Isn't that a conflict of interest with the Florida and then the
yes,
it can
Bulldogs? Be. Yeah, it can be.
It's a real conflict.
Yeah, but I'm gonna always be a Gator. I'm gonna always be a Gator. Yes, sir.
I love it.
Yes, sir. So you can get essentials. Look at that, y'all. Wow. So nice. That was Mr. Joe.
Wonderful.
Mr. Joe, real nice. He said that a conflict of interest. We live in Georgia, but we from Florida. So sometimes.
You gotta choose sides.
I told him, but always
see,
a gator.
like they always say, anybody in water, it used to be a gator.
Yeah.
So hey,
Oh, that is true.
so
That is true.
gator can travel now.
Yeah.
And if you forget or you want to buy a snack, they have food, they have candy, they have outdoor essentials. You can get a cold drink. Mm-hmm. Oh, they even have bread and cereal. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I could just shop all day. Oh, look for your table. Mickey ears for your table. Look at there. Look at there. I like that. The utensil holder. Oh yeah, I gotta think of that when I come back. I don't need any more mugs. When I come back. Oh, something done caught my eye. Cooking with carrots. All right. Oh, Christmas ornaments. Yes.
Now this what I call cheap. See, that's cheap. You did
Hey. You don't like how they printed that. You like embroidered. Yeah, you don't like the press
They could
on
have did better than
vinyl.
that for that kind of money.
Oh, are you finna purchase anything? We need ice.
You want to get it? You can get it here.
We can get it when we come back. When we're going back. On the way back.
Yeah, you get it now. Get it at the machine.
You want to walk? I think we can go to the pool out here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dog.
So we're outside of the
store.
store. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I didn't think, I never fathomed the different types or ways that you could camp. I always picture camping as just setting up a tent on the ground, but there's so many ways. And now that we have an RV, I'm just in love.
This area here, if they fishing is dark here, and it's catch and release.
They have nice picnic tables out here.
You can rent a canoe if you want to go canoeing. You can rent a bike. They have bicycles you can rent.
Bike and barn recreational rentals.
Yeah. If you don't have a fishing pole, they do rent fishing poles here. But like I said, this is only catch and release. And here at Walt Disney World property, they got some big catfish, not catfish, but bass here.
It's
Some record
bass.
setters.
Now, for our fam that own e-bikes,
They're not allowed.
yeah.
They're not allowed.
Okay.
Yeah, you must be on a manual bicycle to be riding out here.
I believe the big red figure over there is the screen for the movies.
Yeah, it's a movie theater at the amphitheater area where they play movies at night.
Right over there.
They have a food truck that's set up over there that you can get food from. It costs, not free.
And we're looking out over the bridge. It's just some beautiful parking. I mean, a beautiful place. The parking for your go-karts is
Golf carts.
golf carts is over on the left side, and it's only 15-minute parking for cars. So this bridge takes us back over here to the recreational area where they have a pool. So now we're closer to the rental area over there. It's called Fish at the Port at the Fort. And it's just something to do for everybody. So here we go here. Signage letting you know the Meadow Swimming Pool, snack bar, tennis courts, trading post, fire camp show, bike barn, and cart parking. What's that, babe?
You can my bags that you can come over here that you can look for rubies and stuff like that. They are called mining. The mining you can do. They sell it inside the store here. You come out here and see what you can find.
They have family, Disney Family Fitness Fun, story time, and yoga every Friday at 10:30 behind the movie screen. Okay, so we came over here to give you guys some pricing. All right. Okay, and so they're at the window, but for the renters, but we're not going to disturb them because we're not renting anything. We came over here to show you guys the pricing. They do have a signage up that canoeing and what else is on and kayaks are unavailable for rent at this time. Okay. All right. All right.
Hello.
Hello.
All
Good.
right.
How are you doing? Good. All right. Medicine show tonight. Hand clapping, foot stomping, sing along, cartoons, and moving pictures. So we're getting ready to get ready for the show. We're not staying tonight. And I don't own the music that's playing or have any rights to the music that's playing in the background. So I got the supplies. I got seating out here. I tell you one thing, if you come this in the evening like this, you need, there's a screen over there. You need to have some coverage, an umbrella or something. Whew. So what we're going to show the people now, babe? I think the pool is next. So here is the schedule. Let's go here. Oh, they're gonna play Thursday. They played The Parent Trap, one of my favorite movies. They have shuffleboard. I don't see the equipment to go along with it, but It's right back here near the golf cart parking. It is a lot to do. If you come and stay and you are not going to the parks, the theme parks, there's so much here to do. Some people don't go to the park. They just enjoy the amenities that come along with being here. Let's see. So over here they have games and little ping pong tables, pool. They have a vending machine, picnic tables. There's a pool table, drink machine, restrooms over there, towel return. And over there is snacks. And I believe they have a metal snack bar. So they have arcade in here.
Hello.
Rock star. My favorite, air hockey. Okay, and then outside they have the pool area. So they have a pool with lifeguards. They have a slide. In this area over here, they have a splash pad for kids. They have areas for you to sit down and eat. They provide complimentary life jackets for the kids. And then this pool is a larger pool. And then back in the other area, they have larger pool area, lifeguards, and then back over here, they have tennis in this area. So it's just lots and lots to do. We're going to go inside the Fort Wilderness reception area for cabins and campsites. They have cabins that you can rent if you don't have an RV. Also in front of the reception outpost area, it's a lot going on. There's a overflow parking, and it's an area for you to get dropped off and picked up if you fly in. So they have airport shuttle here. And he's getting a key card. As I was saying, they have airport shuttle back to the airport. What's this, babe?
That's the map of the park.
Map of the
They got
park.
the bus route colors: orange, yellow, purple, cabins.
Where our loop at? Meadow, in the middle.
Right here.
And we're in the
meadow.
Yeah.
800.
Yep.
Rabbit Run.
Yep. So, and over here is where you can get your golf cart rentals if you desire. Across the street over there is transportation. This is overflow parking, and in the back there is hitch and unhitch and storage of large trailers or different things that you can't fit at your campground. Okay, and over here in front of the bus, I would call it the bus depot. You may see golf carts parked there, but those are the rented ones. They also have, what they have, babe, across the street?
They have horses.
Horses, so you can go horseback riding. They have trails here. It's evening time, and so the horses, I believe, are put up. We're going to find out more about the horses for you. And there's the buses.
Yep. Part of the bus depot, like this bus here is going to Animal Kingdom. And so you ain't got to drive over there and pay for parking. But if you're annual holder, you get to pay for that. It's the bus over to Animal Kingdom. Get off, go do your thing, come back, bring you back.
So now we're over here at Circle D Ranch. Try Circle D Ranch and Trail Rides. And so in the afternoon, you can also book these activities through the app. I'm gonna try to get close so you can see these beauties. My daughter-in-law, they had to go home so they can go to work, but she really wanted to book a trail ride, but there was no time. Babe, would you go on the trail rides?
Nope.
I know you won't. I will. So this is the stable area. Oh, they're so beautiful. Look at there. So this is a working ranch. What you think, babe?
Yeah, it's a working ranch.
Okay, we just want to share with you some of the amenities that are here. Like I said before, there's so much you can do and not even go to the theme parks. I mean, I would still go to theme parks. Last night we went to Ghirardelli. Woo! Some rich ice cream. And it's located in downtown. Well, we call it downtown Disney. They've renamed it Disney Springs. Sorry about the noise from the buses. And we are in the car of the truck, and we wanted you to see the area where you can rent cabins. So I'll turn the camera. So they are very nice. Very nice. And they look like they have grills on the outside. So if you don't have an RV and you want to stay here, you want to fly in and stay, or ride down, or ride up and stay, they have cabins. And we'll get the details on the cabins, like the bedrooms and such. But this is the cabin loop. This is the 2000 loop. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I would come stay over here. And they're air conditioned. They have air conditioned and heating units. But I'll get more details for you guys. So if you want to rent, and you can always hit me up. You know, I'm a travel agent, and I can book all of your Disney travel. Okay. So yeah, this is very nice over here. And that was just a portion of the cabins. They have so much out here, I'm telling you guys. It is worth the stay. Now, babe, would you stay here over a hotel room? Now, nothing against hotels, but, you know, I was just thinking, I would absolutely stay here over staying at a hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because of the amenities. I mean, it's just awesome. Okay, I think we might go find something to eat, y'all. We'll check back in. Here we're showing you the 1600 loop where you have the concrete padding and then the gravel on the back. This area is tighter than the premium area. And we say ciao for now. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, comment.